Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of passive income strategies and why they are essential for achieving financial independence. In this video, we'll explore various methods that allow you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort, freeing up your time for what truly matters. From real estate investments to dividend stocks and online businesses, we'll cover actionable tips that you can implement right away. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools to create multiple income streams so you can enjoy a more secure and fulfilling life. Stick around as we unravel the secrets to building wealth passively and get ready to take the first step toward financial freedom. Understanding passive income. Passive income refers to earnings generated with minimal effort or active involvement, allowing you to make money while you sleep. Unlike active income, which requires your time and effort, like a traditional job, passive income streams can continue to generate revenue without your constant attention. This distinction is crucial because it opens the door to financial freedom. Imagine waking up to find your bank account has grown, all thanks to investments or side projects you set up earlier. The benefits are significant. Not only does passive income provide a safety net during tough times, but it also allows you to pursue your passions without the stress of financial constraints. By building multiple passive income streams, you can work toward achieving true financial independence and a more balanced lifestyle. Real estate investments. Real estate is a powerful avenue for generating passive income, primarily through rental properties. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of income, as tenants pay monthly rent, allowing you to cover mortgage payments and potentially earn profit. However, if direct ownership isn't for you, consider real estate crowdfunding platforms. These platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects with lower capital, making it accessible for many. Regardless of the method you choose, understanding the importance of location and market research is crucial. A property in a desirable area can appreciate in value and attract reliable tenants, while thorough market analysis helps you make informed investment decisions. By leveraging these strategies, real estate can become a significant source of passive income in your financial portfolio. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a fantastic way to generate passive income. Dividends are payments made by companies to their shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis, as a share of their profits. This means that by owning these stocks, you can earn money simply by holding onto them. Some reliable dividend stocks to consider include well-established companies like Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and Coca-Cola, known for their consistent payouts. However, it's essential to maintain a diversified investment portfolio to mitigate risk. By spreading your investments across various sectors and companies, you can protect yourself from market fluctuations and ensure a more stable income stream. Embracing dividend stocks can be a smart strategy for building wealth and achieving financial independence over time. Creating digital products. Creating and selling digital products is an excellent way to generate passive income. Examples of digital products include ebooks, online courses, and printables, which can cater to various interests and niches. To get started, you'll need to choose a product idea that resonates with your target audience. Once you have your product, setting up an online store or using platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable can help you reach potential customers. However, simply creating a product isn't enough. Effective marketing and audience engagement are crucial for success. Utilize social media, email marketing, and content creation to build a community around your brand. By consistently engaging with your audience and promoting your products, you can create a sustainable source of passive income while sharing your expertise and creativity with the world. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. In addition, there is a free webinar that goes into greater detail about this course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Now let's continue affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other companies' products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you receive a percentage of the sale. This model allows you to generate passive income, as you can earn money even while you sleep. provided your content continues to attract visitors. To succeed, it's essential to choose the right affiliate programs that align with your niche and audience interests. Look for reputable companies with quality products and competitive commission rates. Additionally, building an audience and establishing trust is crucial. Engage with your followers through valuable content and honest recommendations, as this fosters loyalty and encourages them to make purchases through your links. With dedication and strategy, affiliate marketing can become a lucrative source of passive income. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is an innovative passive income strategy that connects borrowers directly with investors through online platforms. These platforms, such as Lending Club or Prosper, allow individuals to lend money to others in exchange for interest payments, effectively cutting out traditional banks. As an investor, you can choose which loans to fund based on the borrower's creditworthiness and the interest rates offered. While the potential rewards can be attractive, including higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts, it's essential to be aware of the risks involved, such as borrower defaults. To mitigate these risks, diversifying your investments across multiple loans is crucial. By spreading your capital among various borrowers, you can minimize the impact of any single default and create a more stable income stream through peer-to-peer lending. Building a blog or YouTube channel. Content creation through blogging or starting a YouTube channel can be a rewarding way to generate passive income. Once you build an audience, you can monetize your content through various options, including ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. For instance, platforms like Google AdSense allow you to earn money from ads displayed on your blog or videos. To attract viewers, focus on creating engaging and valuable content that resonates with your target audience. This could include tutorials, reviews, or entertaining stories. Consistency is key. Regularly posting content helps maintain audience interest and encourages growth. As your following expands, so do your monetization opportunities. By dedicating time and effort to your content strategy, you can create a sustainable source of passive income while sharing your passions with the world. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 130 to choose from.